Hello. Oh my goodness, today's a good day. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya, and I am your host of Motivation and Muscles with Maya. That's me. I'm in my robe because I'm on vacation. And actually, I'm just waking up because after I came back from the gym, I took a little nappy. I showered, I napped, I ate a little bit. Actually, about an hour and a half ago, I ate. I've had some popcorn that I cooked on the stove and about 3 cups worth of popped popcorn. And then I had, what else? That's it. And then I went back to bed. So now my Revive Superfoods box came in. Let's check it out. Let me get it. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm excited. This is what got me out of the bed. So I have right here some scissors. It says on the box, eating healthy is about to get easier. We'll see how easy this is. And just like the daily harvest, you got to choose between some meals. I decided to keep it really super simple. So I got 3 different types of meals. Okay, so here we go. Oh. The BCAAs out of the way. Okay, so this says freeze. Please be careful and move the scissors out of the way. Oh, that's dry ice, but it opened. So it says do not handle with my hands. So I'm gonna go ahead. You see this ice? I'm gonna throw this away. Ooh, I like the way it is packaged. Let me tilt this over so you can see how it is packaged. So it came like in this plastic bag and then another insulation, and then the meals are just packaged here. Much better than Daily Harvest. Okay, so the first one was lentil and sun-dried tomato. There we go. I got 3 of the same. These are all 3 lentil and sun-dried tomatoes. This is chickpea and pomegranate. And this is what that looks like. Chickpea and pomegranate. 3 of those. Move them out the way. No, I got, because I think they only offer 4. So I just got 3 of everything. This is avocado and quinoa. Ooh, that sounds good. I might be partaking in that for lunch. We'll see. And then the last one is chipotle black bean, which means it's gonna be a little spicy. Chipotle and black bean. Oh, I am super excited. The chipotle and black bean is 330 calories. The avocado and quinoa is 350 calories. The chickpea and pomegranate is 450. And lentil and sun-dried tomato 450. I think I want to go ahead and try. Ooh, this got goji berries in it. I'm not a fan of goji berry. Hey. Okay, so goji, when you look at the ingredients, the goji berry is towards the bottom of the ingredient list, as you can see. It's way down here somewhere. Somewhere it's down there. So it may not be a prominent flavor. I don't care for goji berry. But I'm going to have the avocado and quinoa. It says, how am I supposed to cook this? Oh, here we go. Microwave. Remove film and heat for 4 to 5 minutes, stirring halfway through. Stir and enjoy. Now, this one you pretty much prepare just like the Daily Harvest, except for Daily Harvest, they normally recommend that you put like 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. This one you don't. It just says take off this film, of course take off this paper, take off this film, microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes, stir. I want to go ahead, I'm going to do this one, so I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Got my BCAAs. That's from this morning. This container, this travel mug cup thingy, it keeps water and contents so freaking cold. Back up. Back up. Thank you. That's good. Okay, just to remind you guys, avocado and quinoa. I put it in the microwave for 5 minutes. The directions said to nuke it for between 4 and 5 minutes. You can also put this in the stove. However, if you cook it in the stove, they ask that you empty all contents into a preheated pan, add 2 tablespoons of water to the meal, cover with the lid and steam on medium-high for 1 minute. Remove the lid, stir, and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. Way too much for me. It was easier just to plop it into the microwave. So, there you go. And I think this red tint is from the goji berry. I kind of see beets in here too. Let me see if there are beets in here. Yep. The first 5 ingredients is tricolored quinoa, chickpeas, corn, green peas, and beets. Yeah. So let's see what this tastes like. Not too bad. It needs some spice. Don't go near my food, Chico. I'm watching you. Oh, and today I have to schedule my physical therapy. Red chili flakes. Did I taste a goji berry? I guess it's okay. I always put way too much. Don't come over here, Chico. No. No, Chico. I guess it's okay. 12 grams of plant protein, Sodium, we already know that's high because it's a packaged food. 770 milligrams. $61 grams of carbs, 13 grams of fat. Yeah, I don't know. Something's happening with, let me see. It's not bad. Something is making me go, and I have a funny feeling it's that, the goji berries. It's not a prominent flavor, but because I don't like goji berries, I can taste it when it's in my food. I mean, but it's not bad. There's a goji berry. We're taking that out. On a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being amazing, I give this maybe a 7. You would think I would taste the avocado, which I don't. I just don't. Anyway, I give it a 5. I take that back. Something just ain't sitting right with me. There's these doggone goji berries. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go. That's how I feel about it. Revive Superfoods. Maybe tomorrow or tonight I'll come back with the second meal. I wonder if this website has like a space in your account where you can kind of rate these meals. That's what I do on Daily Harvest. They ask me to rate a meal that I've tried, and I kind of rate them online. I would like to see how other people feel about this meal. I don't even want to eat it. The more I eat it, the more I want to rate it lower. I kind of give it a 4 now. All right, I'm going to go. Maybe I'll come back tonight or tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys later.